My skin is really dry and sensitive, so I kind of like over moisturize, and this is just what works for me. So the first product I like to use is this vitamin E oil from GNC, and I honestly just take a tiny bit, because this stuff will like grease your face and turn you into a greasy ball. And I like to put this kind of everywhere. Then the next thing I like to use is the NYX Angel Veil. Now, is it just me, or when you spray the Too Faced Peach Mist, does it leave like white residue? Like, it's just the weirdest thing ever. Because one day I tried to use it as a setting spray and it kind of left this like white residue and it just like brushes off. So now I just use it as a primer. So the next thing I'll be using is something new, and this is the Bareminerals BarePro Foundation. I am in the color Hazelnut 25. And apply just a very thin layer of the foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and take my Colourpop in medium tan concealer. I'm going to let that set for a little bit. Next I'm using the Airspun powder. And this is one of the things that I've changed. I don't like setting all my face. I just like setting my under eye. And then I just take the little bit of the powder that's left over and go ahead and set the rest of my face. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my beauty blender, just the other side, dab it off. And that's it. As you guys can see, I don't take it all the way. I kind of just set just right under my under eye because I don't want a lot of powder all over my face, and then I use whatever's left over to set my lid. Because my skin is already dry as it is, so it's like if I overset it and it's winter, it's just going to get really dry. So I just going to let that set in for a couple of minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild brush and just dust that off. And as I'm dusting off, I'm going to use whatever's left over to kind of set the rest of my skin. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Pixi Glow Mist and spray my whole face. I absolutely love this stuff. Like, it just makes your face look so dewy. Now to jump to my eyes, I'm not going to be doing much for it. I'm honestly just going to apply mascara and put some lower color, and that's pretty much it. The mascara I'll be using is Covergilr Peacock. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a flesh tone color with my skin, and it's going to be from the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face one more time with the Pixi Glow Mist. And now for my lips, I'm going to be mixing two lip liners. This one is from Rimmell and it is the color Epic. or 045, and this is Max Spice. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Too Faced Melted Matte in Drop Dead Diva. And that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, this is a really simple, you know, winter foundation look. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know if you guys want to see an in-depth review about the foundation that I use. I'm absolutely loving it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Until next time.